What's up, everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. Went and did it again. The wifey hooked me up for Father's Day. I upgraded the Blackstone Griddle. Went from the 28-inch to the 36-inch. Blackstone has a brand new series of griddles out that are freaking awesome. There's all kinds of different options at many different price points. And so we cook all the freaking time. And we need a little bit more room to cook on it. We absolutely love our 28-inch, but we thought we'd step it up to the 36-inch. This thing says assembly time in 30 minutes or less. We're gonna find out. I'm gonna put it together. Maybe we'll cook some grub on it. I don't know. Let's check it out. Kick the intro! Alright, so here we go. Here's a little bit of a look inside. When you first open the box, this looks like your burner knobs here, different screws, different mounts, stuff like that. Here's the actual station, the actual cooking instructions. That looks like your PSI thing. A couple boxes. Let's rip this stuff open. Let's see what's up. So in this box here, guys, it looks like it's going to be your grease catch, some handles, and the difference between this one and the one that I have is this is a rear grease catch as opposed to the side cup, which my 28-inch has right now. And that's one of the reasons I also wanted to upgrade. This box here, you got your casters, looks like a couple handles. Shelf here. I think this is actually going to go pretty easy. This right here is going to be the grill cover, the actual hardtop cover that goes down on it. Lots of space filler packaging. Might keep these. These would be good use for something. And right here, guys, these are going to be your little side tables that you attach to the sides of the griddle. So what time is it? Time lapse time. So here it is, everybody, in all of its glory. Really not too bad to put together. It says assembly in 30 minutes or less. Now I took my time with the instructions. There was a couple parts. Actually, the paper towel holder I think was the hardest part, which is so dumb because all I needed to do was use the right washers. But yeah, super easy to put together. The main body is already together, so you're just putting together all of the little accessories, the shelves, the paper towel holder, putting the knobs on. It's very easy process, and man, this thing looks freaking awesome. Let me show you right now. So this is what it looks like with the top on it. Got a nice, I mean, it's not a super solid top. I could see that thing probably rusting after a little while if you were to leave it out in the rain. I am going to get a cover for this because it will be outside, but I want to make sure I keep it covered. So here you go with the cover off, 36 inches. As you can see back there is the grease trap, and you just put the cup right behind it. That's super slick, so much better than the old model. Each burner is its own separate burner. I don't know if you can see inside there. I'm not gonna lift it up. This top is freaking heavy, guys. You might need to get 2 people to help you out with that if you don't have huge muscular biceps like mine. Sleek new look. I love how this Blackstone logo is kind of emblazed. It's actually like sunk in there. Pretty cool. Nice shelf. Super awesome, guys. So let's get it outside. Blackstone. Woo! Alright, guys, so here we are. I got it all set up. I am out here in the backyard oasis. I got my propane tank hooked up. And just as a pro tip for you guys, I'd highly recommend investing in one of these gas gauges. It will tell you how much gas you have left. Now, I don't know if I completely 100% trust that, but it's a good indicator. I don't have to guess. But anyways, here it is. Here's the Blackstone, and there's a couple things I just want to point out to you guys that's very cool. These shelves right here, they flip down nice and easy. So this is about the same amount of space as my 28-inch grill, but with the shelves completely extended out, and they flip up real easy. They have these little holes right here and they just fit on that little side there. You just flip them up, and that little thing falls right in there, and there you go. That's how you put your side shelf up. One other thing that's super awesome about this griddle, guys, is check this out. Boom. Check that out, magnet right there. You can stick your utensils on there while you're cooking. Now, if I were you, I would put like a little grease mat down on the floor there if you're gonna do that, because you know you're gonna have some grease dripping off of those spatulas. Or you could just wipe them off, but pretty cool, and you can even put your tongs there, guys. Freaking awesome. Another really cool feature on the shelves here are these side pegs, so you can hang your tools. Each one of the shelves has that, so that's kind of handy. And then if you're all curious about how much room this is gonna take up in your space that you decide to put it, we're gonna come out here. It's gonna be just about 65, 66 inches, guys. Your actual cooking surface on the griddle, you got 36 inches, so that's 3 feet right there. 1 meter for you Europeans. And it's gonna sit right about 22 inches deep. So let me just put a bow on this for you guys. Full disclosure, you see the different shirt. It is a different day. Got caught up doing something else. I did do a test run on it. I made some breakfast for dinner, what I like to call Brinner. It turned out freaking awesome. I'm about to cook up some smash burgers on it. That's gonna be the next video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. You're gonna wanna check that out. My overall thoughts on the griddle is it's freaking badass. Hence the channel name, I guess. It's got plenty of cooking surface. It gets real hot. You can control the zones on it, which is very cool. Very easy to put together. The magnet strip on it for your utensils is super awesome, and it just looks cool as hell, and your food is gonna come out awesome. I'm not affiliated with Blackstone in any way. I just love their products. The 28 incher was awesome. The 36 incher I'm hoping is gonna be just as awesome, and by all indications looks like it's gonna be. If you guys stuck through the video, thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like button if you guys think this was useful. Stay tuned for the cooking video. I'm gonna make up some burgers. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You guys know what I like to say. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.